Which is worse? Backrooms or infinite IKEA? Backrooms definitely. You would be unable to survive long enough in infinite IKEA to let it take its toll on you. Filtered. Do you guys not enjoy infinite IKEA? I feel like you'd all be right at home there. No. Why not? Surely all of you chat monsters prefer your maggots and rotten wood. I feel like IKEA would at least give you some original Scandinavian cuisine. IKEA has anything and everything you need to survive, including moral support. In fact, IKEA should be its own country with a military, government and a culture that I would happily join. Imagine grass inside IKEA. They could charge double. Sweden is not called IKEA. Sweden is called IKEA's little brother. IKEA should personally deliver grass to all of you so you can finally touch it. Nice to meet you too, B2198. I think my favorite Pokemon is probably Shinx. Or maybe Luxray. I really like Pachirisu and Turtwig too. Should Vedal AI become a country? Absolutely, we could forge an alliance with IKEA.